Hello friends, welcome. Today we will discuss one another numerical of a single plate clutch. In this is basically a design problem of a single plate clutch. Now first of all we will read the problem. A plate clutch having a single driving plate with contact surfaces on each side is required to transmit 110 kilowatt at 1250 rpm. The outer diameter of the contact surface is to be 300 mm. The coefficient of friction is 0.4. Now assuming a uniform pressure of this 0.17, now we have to find out the inner diameter of a friction surface. So first of all we need to write out the given. So what is the given? Given is, first of all, power is given to us. Power is how much? 110 kilowatt. That means 110 into 10 to the power 3 watt. Now RPM is given as 1250. The outer diameter, we know outer diameter is D2, which is given as 300 mm. So, outer diameter is D1. So it will be R1 is equal to 150 mm. Coefficient of friction mu is given as this. And assuming uniform pressure, so pressure will be 17 Newton per mm square. Okay. Now, see, the pressure is uniform. That means you have to use the uniform pressure theory. And what we have to find out? We have to find out the inner diameter. Inner diameter, that means D2. Okay. So in order to find out the D2 or R2, first of all we need to know that the standard equation of torque transmitted is N mu WR. This is a standard equation where mu is a coefficient of friction, N is a contact surface, W is the axial thrust, and R is the mean radius. So first of all we will find out the value of T, because as N and mu is known, TW and R is unknown. So in order to find out T, we know torque transmitted, T is equal to P into 60 by 2 pi N. So what is the value of P? This one. And what is N? N is 1250. Therefore the calculated value of T will be 840 Newton meter, or we can say, because this is a meter, this is in meter, and we have to implement this value in equation 1, so we have to convert this value in mm. Newton mm. Now second of all, axial thrust. Axial thrust is W is equal to pressure into area. What is pressure? Pressure is P, and this is area is pi R1 square minus R2 square. So W is what? W we need to find out. Pressure is what? 0.17. Pi R1 is 150 square minus R2 square. So from here we can calculate the value 0.534 150 square minus R2 square. This is our equation number 2. Now come to mean radius. We know that for uniform pressure, mean radius R is equal to 2 by 3 R1 is R1 cube minus R2 cube upon R1 square minus R2 square. So from here we can write out the value 150 cube minus R2 cube divided by T square minus R2 square. So this will be our equation number 3. Now after implementing these values in equation number 1, what we will get? T. The value of T is, now implementing the values of T, comma W and R in equation 1. So what we will get? We will get 840 into 10 to the power 3 will be equal to, see now n, the value of n is this is the number of contact surfaces. So in a single plate clutch we know that the contact surface will be 2 because the plate is single, so one surface will be the left side and another surface towards the right side, so there will be 2 surfaces. So n value is 2 into 0.4 into 0.534 150 square minus R2 square multiply by 2 by 3 150 cube minus R2 cube divided by 150 square minus R2 square. So after solving all this, what we will get? We will get 0.285 150 cube minus R2 cube. Now therefore this implies what? 150 cube minus R2 cube will be equal to 840 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 0.285, which will be equal to 2.95 into 10 to the power 6. So if we calculate all this, what we will get? We will get the value of R2 as 75 mm, or D2 will be equal to 150 mm. So this will be a standard answer. Now, so today's lecture is over. In the next lecture, we will discuss another numerical of a multiplate clutch. Thank you. Good.